Steam Machine has returned with a design that signals a major shift in how Valve sees the future of gaming hardware. The device arrives as a compact cube filled with technology that rivals full desktop systems, yet it aims to fit naturally into a living room setup. This approach marks a clear move by Valve to blend the power of PC gaming with the ease of a console, while still preserving the openness that makes the Steam platform unique. The announcement also comes with two other major devices, the Steam Frame headset and a new Steam controller, which together create a full hardware family. Each device plays a role in Valve's effort to build a complete ecosystem, and the Steam Machine sits at the center of that effort. The new Steam Machine is built around strength and efficiency. Valve uses a semi-custom AMD Zen 4 processor with an RDNA 3 graphics unit, which provides 6 times the performance of the Steam Deck. This level of power places the machine in direct competition with high-end gaming PCs, yet its form factor is only 6 inches on each side, making it one of the smallest systems to offer this much capability. The hardware includes 16 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and an additional 8 gigabytes of GDDR6 graphics memory. Together, these components allow the system to run large modern games while keeping load times and performance drops to a minimum. A thin LED strip wraps around the body of the Steam Machine and can show system information in real time. Colors and patterns can be adjusted to show download progress or status updates, turning the light into a functional part of the device rather than a simple decoration. Despite the high performance of the internals, Valve states that the system will run cool and quiet due to an advanced internal layout. This design choice is especially important in a living room environment where noise control matters as much as raw power. The Steam Machine runs on SteamOS, Valve's Linux-based software focused on gaming. This operating system has grown steadily over the years and now includes a compatibility layer called Proton, which allows many Windows-based titles to run without major adjustments. Because of this, the Steam Machine is not limited to a small set of games. It can draw from a broad library that includes thousands of modern releases. SteamOS also includes a desktop mode for tasks beyond gaming, giving the machine the flexibility of a small PC when needed. Valve is expanding its verified program to the Steam Machine so that users can quickly see which games will run smoothly. This program proved helpful on the Steam Deck, and now it will guide people who want to play without adjusting settings. When a game carries the verified label, it should work well on the machine right away, which helps bring clarity to a platform that offers so many options. Alongside the Steam Machine, Valve revealed the Steam Frame, a device designed to bring both virtual reality and wireless PC streaming into a single headset. The frame runs SteamOS on a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip with 16 gigabytes of memory. This allows it to run certain games directly on the headset, while also streaming others from a Steam library over a high-speed connection. Eye tracking and foveated streaming help reduce the rendering load by sharpening the area the user is looking at, while gradually lowering detail in the outer edges. This technique increases visual clarity while using fewer resources. The headset is built with a balanced design so that weight is evenly spread between the front and back. This approach can reduce pressure during long sessions. The frame supports inside-out tracking, allowing it to follow movement in space without external sensors. It also includes a 6 GHz wireless adapter for low-latency streaming, which can be important for fast-paced games where timing matters. The same verified program used for the Steam Machine will also apply to the frame. Titles optimized for VR or non-VR streaming will be clearly marked, making it easy to know what will work best. The Steam Frame's controllers share many of the features introduced in the headset itself. They use magnetic thumbsticks designed to offer smooth control and long-term reliability. Capacitive finger sensing helps track hand position, while grip buttons and motion controls allow a wide range of input styles. Each controller runs on a single AA battery and offers around 40 hours of use, which gives users a long window of play before needing to swap power sources. Valve is also offering a developer kit for the frame, which will allow creators to test new VR or streaming experiences on the headset. The third device in Valve's announcement is a redesigned Steam controller. It is built to work across the entire hardware family, including the machine, the frame, and any existing PC. The controller uses the same magnetic thumbstick system as the frame's controllers, along with grip sensing, trackpads, shoulder inputs, triggers, and advanced haptics. These controls provide multiple ways to interact with games, from traditional stick movement to touch-based actions. The device connects through a small wireless puck that also acts as a magnetic charging dock. The controller arrives with thousands of community input profiles preloaded, while still supporting fully customized layouts through Steam input. One of the most important elements of this announcement is the way Valve positions the Steam machine in relation to traditional consoles. The company states that there is some overlap, yet the device is not meant to act as a standard console. Instead, the goal is to offer a system that carries the strength of a gaming PC while keeping the ease of a living room device. The design choices reflect this direction. The small form factor, quiet operation, strong performance, and verified program all support a straightforward setup that does not require heavy adjustments. Valve has not announced final pricing for the Steam machine, but launch is expected in early 2026. The two storage options are confirmed, though the cost for each model is still unknown. The Steam frame and the new Steam controller are part of the same release window, suggesting that Valve plans a coordinated rollout for its new ecosystem. What makes this announcement significant is how it fits into Valve's long-term strategy. The company is not just releasing a single device, but building an entire hardware family. The Steam machine anchors the living room. The Steam frame extends the ecosystem into VR and wireless play. The Steam controller ties the experience together across all devices. Each product serves a role that strengthens the larger system Valve is creating. Another point of interest is what Valve did not announce: a new version of the Steam Deck. While many enthusiasts had speculated about a successor, Valve has said that the current generation of chips does not offer enough performance improvement to justify a major refresh. They want a large jump in capability rather than a small gain, especially if the battery life would remain the same. This approach indicates that Valve is waiting for more advanced silicon before introducing a new handheld system. The absence of a deck successor also helps explain why the Steam machine and Steam frame take center stage. Valve appears to see greater opportunity in building out the broader ecosystem right now. The machine especially shows how Valve is investing in a platform that supports both ease of use and technical depth. It gives players the chance to enjoy PC-level gaming without needing a large tower or complex setup. The Steam frame pushes the company further into virtual reality, a field where Valve has deep history. By combining native performance, eye-tracking methods, and wireless streaming, the frame aims to bridge the gap between standalone devices and high-end PC VR. This could give users a flexible entry point into VR, while also connecting directly to their existing library. Finally, the Steam controller brings uniformity to Valve's hardware. It ensures that no matter which device a person uses, the input experience remains familiar and reliable. This consistency can make it easier to move between the machine, the frame, and other PC environments without learning a new control style each time. Together, the Steam machine, Steam frame, and updated Steam controller show a company moving toward a unified vision. Valve is placing its focus on a complete ecosystem built to support living room gaming, virtual reality, and flexible input across devices. The return of the Steam machine is not just a revival of an old idea. It marks a clear shift toward a broader plan that could shape how Valve approaches hardware for years to come.